Good evening, everybody. This is Ted Hearn with a closing trade comment on October 25th for the U.S. Treasury bond trade we set up last night on the 24th, which didn't work out. And I want to explain why it didn't work out. Now, here we have the Treasury bond chart as I was looking at it Wednesday night. And here we have the Treasury bond close at 14.15 or 147.15, right? And I'm bearish, and so I said, well, it might go down to here, it might go down to here. Okay, so I said aggressive traders could get in here and conservative traders a little higher. But what I did not do was to look at the intraday action, because the Treasury bond is a little strange. Let's look at the well, we don't want that. We want this. This is the Chicago CME, the exchange for Treasury bonds, and Chicago Mercantile Exchange. And what we see is the open outcry session closes at 2 p.m. Central, which is 3 p.m. Eastern Time, right? And the Globex trades at 4 p.m. until 4 p.m., which is 5 o'clock Eastern. Okay, keep that in mind, because when we look at the actual daily activity, when I was looking at this market at 5 o'clock Eastern Time, which would be right here, 5 o'clock Eastern Time, actually what the CME was showing as their close was this bar here, which is the 3 o'clock bar Eastern Time, 2 o'clock bar, and that price right there is 147.16. So that's the close. Now these 2 hour bars here occur after the open outcry close, but before the Globex close, and so this is Globex trading. When the market's live, it's shown on this, but as soon as the market closes at 5 o'clock, what you see is not the close at 147.8, but the close at 2 o'clock, 147.15. So if you only look at the daily chart, which is what I was doing because I was just dashing into my office from the dentist, you can be misled here, and I was misled, and therefore we missed our entrance. And it was a good trade. Let me show you what happened. Just let me pause this and put more data on this. Okay, here's the chart with today's data on it, and indeed we went down and hit the 5.9, which was our second target. So it would have been a very, very good trade indeed, but oh no, we're not aboard because I made a mistake here and gave you the wrong entry price. So I'm sorry about that, and that's just the way it goes. We make mistakes sometimes. And this is what it looked like during the day. As you see, I said to enter up here where there was no entry price. Had we entered at 147.08, instead we would have gone down and hit the second target down in here. It would have been terrific trade, somewhere in the neighborhood of, I don't know how much money, almost $1,000. Okay, so just a little bit of guidance. Be sure and if you're trading the bonds, make sure you have the accurate closing price. Sorry about that. Better luck next time. Here we go, looking for another trade. Talk to you again soon.